Hello everyone, here is another sweet recipe for all those sweet lovers. Sweet boondi is one such favorite for all. So this is very simple and yet easy to prepare at home itself with simple ingredients. So let us start. Take a mixing bowl and place a sieve on top of it and add 2 cups of chickpea flour or besan, and then add a pinch of baking soda. Baking soda is a must to get puffier boondi. So don't skip this, and then sieve it nicely and take out the larger particles on that, and then you need to mix it by adding water gradually, not at a time, because once you add full cup of water, there is a chance that your batter may turn watery. So gradually you add it. See, first I have added 1 cup and then another half cup of water I have added, and then I have seen that my batter is lump free. So see, like this, and then in the last I have added 3 tablespoons of water, and that's it. My batter is ready for preparing the bundi. See that this should be the consistency, not too thin nor too thick. And then I have separated the batter in 3 different cups, and I have added orange food color in the first one, and then I have mixed it nicely and put it aside. And then I have added green food color, and then I have mixed it nicely. See, gradually the green color oozes out. That's it. See, our green color batter is ready. Then goes our red color or red orange color, and then give it a nice mix till the batter is full of red color. That's it. So our 3 color batters are ready. On the other hand, take a pan and add 2 cups of sugar. 2 cups of sugar, because you need to take equal portions. You have taken 2 cups of besan, and then you have to take 2 cups of sugar. This is a must. Do not overlook on this, or do not skip this. Okay, and then add 1 full cup of water. First I have added 1 full cup of water, and then another half cup of water. Now place this on the stove and add ilachi powder, and then give it a nice mix. Here I have added another half cup of water, so just remember that. And then on the other hand, I have placed a kadai and added oil into it, and I have heated it nicely. So to check whether your oil is hot or not, add a little bit of batter, and once your bundi floats on top of it, that is, your oil is ready. So place this bundi ladle on top of it, and then add our orange color besan mixture on top of it, and then nicely you stir it with a spoon so that all the bundi falls down. See, like this. So just for 30 seconds, do not overcook this so that your bundi color changes to brown. And once your bundi is nicely crisp and separated like this, take it out. Same, you wash the ladle again, and then again add your next color. Here I have added green color. See, once you remember, when you drop this batter on in the oil, see, your bundi should not stick, but it should get separated. If your bundi is sticky, then there is a problem in your bundi batter. So again you need to add some besan and then mix it nicely. So I am done with the green. Now the yellow bundi. See, it should be nice, puffier and separating. So see, all my bundis are ready, green, yellow and red. So now these are ready to go into the sugar syrup. On the other hand, my sugar syrup is ready. If your sugar syrup is thick, there is no problem. You can add another half cup of boiling water into it, and then you can give it a nice mix. So once you add all your bundi into the sugar syrup, just do not over stir it. Just give it a nice stir, and then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee on top of it, and then close the lid for 10 minutes and cook it for 10 minutes on low flame. That's it. See how juicy and how yummy and how soft and how puffier your bundi is. This sweet bundi is favorite for all, right? So this is very simple and very easy also. So don't miss to have this tasty bundi at home itself. See my bundi, here I have taken a small holes ladle. If you have a larger one, you can take this. See, my bundi is so soft and juicy. When you just press it, the sugar syrup is oozing out. That is that yummy. So don't miss this. If you want to have a bigger bundi, take a bigger ladle and then try this and let me know how it turned to you. Bye bye.